Hello everyone, in this video we're going to look into a comparison between N8n versus Crewai. So N8n, as you may know, is a fair code, like a visually low code workflow automation tool. So use it to make automation. So it lets you like connect apps, APIs, data sources in workflows, like you set up a trigger and an action and it flows. And you can also self-host or use its cloud version. Whereas Crew AI here is actually a platform for orchestrating AI agents like a crew with roles, goals, backstories, and etc. Especially for more autonomous AI-driven complex tasks. Okay, so they are more like code-centric, although some no or low-code elements are there. The main difference between these two is that the N8n is actually provides a visual workflow build as a visual workflow builder, and many pre-built integrations that you just have to drag and drop. It's good for users who want to automate tasks without deep AI agent or design. Whereas Crew AI here has a more steep learning curve. It's better suited to developers or teams comfortable with defining agents, roles, and logic. So if you want to automate like routine business workflows, like or a form to a CRM to email to database, something like that, and you need to like process data, transform it, integrate to many tools, and also you want to like build an AI assisted workflow but still largely need heavy reasoning. So if you want to automate like routine business workflows and you need to process data and transform it, or if you need like if you're building an AI assisted workflow but still largely deterministic or user triggered, then in that case N8n will be ideal options for you. Whereas if you need an AI system that reasons, splits tasks and agents with different roles, or you need some help in research or development of autonomous agents, and you want like crew of agents that collaborate, delegate and adjust to the goals and stuff, in that case Crew AI will be the ideal option for you. And that's basically pretty much it is. Hope the information video helps.